Are your gutters in need of a serious upgrade? Look no further than Seamless Gutters for Less, the premier choice for gutter installation right here in University Place. Our expert team specializes in seamless gutter installation, ensuring a perfect fit every time. No seams mean no leaks, providing your home with the best protection against water damage. Being a local company, we understand the unique needs of our community and are committed to delivering top-notch service to our neighbors. With over 30 years of experience, we use top-of-the-line materials and state-of-the-art techniques to give your home the durability and style it deserves. Our dedication to quality and customer satisfaction has earned us over 240 five-star reviews from homeowners just like you. We take pride in our reputation for reliability, exceptional workmanship, and friendly service. Seamless gutters reduce the risk of leaks and clogs, protecting your home from potential water damage. Join the countless satisfied customers who trust Seamless Gutters for less for quality, reliability, and exceptional service. Our local roots mean we care about your home as much as you do, and we're here to ensure your gutters stand the test of time. Seamless Gutters for Less, your best choice for seamless gutter installation in University Place.